Welcome to the Chic Show, on trend, on demand, and on a budget. Today's video is part of the Bloom with Grace Challenge, hosted by Monner's Market and Making It My Own. You can find a link in the description box to both of these channels plus the playlist. The theme today is Magnolias. Project number 1, I will be using some botanical prints from an old gardening book, a black frame, drop cloth, and a small clip. First, I cut the drop cloth a little bit larger than the frame. I removed the glass and set it aside. We won't be using it for this project. I'm only going to be using the cardboard backing piece, and after ironing the drop cloth, I hot glued it to the cardboard piece.
You want to change the world, but you don't know where you should start. But you can't give your all unless you let God inside your heart. Oh, when the road gets rough, just look up above. You will find God in the stars. When the weight of the
Now I'm going to add the small clip to the top of the botanical print and center it on the drop cloth backing. I'm placing the frame over the top to be sure that the print is centered. Once I have it like I want it, I'll hot glue the clip to the drop cloth and replace the frame.
that you could find with Christ. Been running in the dark, just trying to heal your scars. Tried everything but turned to God. 'Cause it all starts with you. If you wanna break through, you got to find your truth. When the weight of the world keeps you up at night, when you're running with no end inside, thought you would never find the light you lost inside.
And here's our Magnolia botanical print artwork.
You could find with Christ. If you're one with Christ.
For project number 2, I'm going to be using some magnolias from Dollar Tree, as well as this magnolia mug from Dollar General. I used a green paint pen for the stems and a gold paint pen for the middle of the magnolias. You'll see later I didn't like the way this turned out, so I went over it with a black marker, and that was much better.
To her I would say, I wanna give back the world some light. But it's an empty road. I feel so alone. I forgot what I'm fighting for.
I removed the magnolias from the floral stem and then inserted them into some floral foam inside the mug.
Running with no end inside, thought you would never find the light you lost inside, that you could find with Christ.
Lastly, I added some magnolia leaves, and this project was done.
You wanna change the world, but you don't know where you should start. But you can't give your all unless you let God inside your heart. Oh, when the road gets rough, just look up above. You will find God in the stars. When the weight of the world keeps you up.
Project number 3 is a cloche. I used these same magnolia flowers as well as the leaves and simply arranged them underneath the cloche. Very simple.
You lost inside that you could find with Christ. Been running in the dark, just trying to heal your scars. Tried everything but turned to God, 'cause it all starts with you. If you wanna break through, you got to find your truth. When the weight of the world.
Project number 4, I'm just going to show you some ways that you can use magnolia leaves in your home decor for fall.
Thought you would never find the light you lost inside.
Simply adding these real leaves to these faux pumpkins gives it an elevated look.
If you're one with Christ. My mama would say, you gotta fight for.
Here I'm using more of a stem of leaves along with some faux fall foliage.
To her I would say, I wanna give back the world some light. But it's an empty road. I feel so.
Another way to use leaves is to make a place card setting.
When the weight of the world keeps you up at night, when you're running with no end in sight, thought you would never find the light you lost inside, that you could find with Christ. You wanna change the world, but you don't know where you should start.
And here's a final look at all of our projects today.
Unless you let God inside your heart. Oh,
Thank you again to the ladies at Monner's Market and Making It My Own DIY for hosting this challenge. Again, you can find a link to their channels in the description box as well as a link to the playlist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share the chic. Bye now.
when you're running with no end in sight, thought you